Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Warm greetings to you all. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic from the physiology part from the unit 4. That is homeostasis and body fluids, your sources of body water and control of homeostasis in one video. Okay, so these topics are very fundamental for the understanding of how the body maintains a stable internal environment, how it balances the temperature, how it balances the body glucose level, water balance, pH in blood, and the blood pressure. So in my previous video, we have already discussed about the sensory perception, baroreceptor, nociceptor, okay, and many more receptors are there also. Those are the thermoreceptor, osmoreceptors. If you are still didn't watch those videos yet, then please go through those videos. Link is in my description below. What are the main purpose or main mechanism of those receptors? That they receive the signal of the body from the external side also, in from the internal body parts also, and the receptors get stimulated, and it transfer the message to the brain, and after that it control our body. Likewise, if we talk about the baroreceptor, then it maintains the blood pressure in our body. If we talk about the chemoreceptors, they are maintaining chemical balances of our body. Thermoreceptors maintain the temperature in our body. In osmoreceptors, they are maintaining H2O level in our body, and through the cutaneous receptors, we are going to know the mechanical pressure in our body. Homeostasis is the ability of the body to maintain a constant internal environment despite of changes in the external environment. Like it is winter now, but your body is maintaining your temperature. Your body is not as cold as the weather or as the environment. So that's how, the due to the homeostasis, the body maintains the body temperature, okay, the glucose level in our body, the balance, the water balance in our body, blood pH level, blood pressure level. If we see the meaning of homeostasis etymologically, then it is derived from the Greek word homeo, that means a similar, and stasis means to standing still or stability. So it is clear that homeostasis is to maintain the same stability in our body. Let's know that what are body fluids. Those are the liquid components of the body that help in transport of the nutrients of the gases, removal of waste products, regulation of temperature, maintenance of the homeostasis. These are also we have studied in the function of the blood also. Okay, so next to that, we are going to discuss the distribution of the body fluids. So these are divided into two types. One is the intracellular fluid and second one is the extracellular fluid. That means one is the ICF and second one is the ECF. So what do we mean by intracellular fluid? As the name suggests, the fluid present inside the cells, about 2/3 of the total body water. And what is extracellular fluid? That is present outside of the cells, and it includes the blood plasma, lymph, and the interstitial fluid. Okay, so now we're gonna discuss about the sources of the body water. Okay, first one is the drinking water. That is the major source. Often we are taking through our food and beverages. Okay, next, water from the food, like a watermelon, many type of fruits, vegetables, cooked food contain water also. Okay, so and third one is the metabolic water, that is produced during the oxidation of the food substances, and the example of it is oxidation of fat, carbohydrate, protein. Okay, they are also releasing water. Now what is loss of body water? How our body lost water? Okay, through urine, sweat, expiration. Okay, or expiration, breathing. Okay, inspiration, expiration. So through expiration also we are releasing water content, and through feces. Okay, fecal matter. Now how to control this homeostasis level? Okay, that is controlled by the regulatory mechanisms. Okay, through the receptors. First one we have already discussed. Okay, those are the osmoreceptors, thermoreceptor, baroreceptor, by whom the body can maintain the temperature. Okay, the pressure, pH level, water content in our body. Next, if such things are happened to our body, that is because of the water loss, to maintain the pH balance, if the blood pressure is rising or falling, then the receptors are working, and we have already discussed that about the mechanism of the receptors. The same mechanism working here also, that first all the stimulus travel and reach to the hypothalamus, the control centers mainly located in the hypothalamus, brainstem, and the endocrine glands. They receive the signals and decide the responses. Okay. After that, who will be the effectors of these actions? Those are the muscles, glands, kidneys, and blood vessels. If the blood pressure is get higher, or the blood pressure is rising, then you know the mechanism well. And after that proper mechanism, after the activation of the baroreceptor, then the message travel to the hypothalamus. After that, it send back the signal to the blood vessels, where the walls are getting stretched or released, or relaxation happen there. So likewise, the muscles and glands and kidneys, next to that the blood vessels, are working to control the whole mechanism. Next, role of nervous system in the homeostasis, that provides quick responses to control the heart rate, respiration, sweating, vasodilation, and vasoconstriction. All of this we have already discussed in my last video. So if you are getting any doubt in this video, then please go through those previous videos of mine, which is linked below. Okay. So how the endocrine system maintain the homeostasis? Let's see that it provides the slow and long lasting responses. The important hormones like ADH, antidiuretic hormone, that helps in water balance, aldosterone, insulin, glucagon, they are maintaining the sugar level of our body. And the thyrox, it maintains body weight. Okay. Let's discuss the negative feedback mechanism. If the body temperature is increasing, then we sweat. Okay. So why do we sweat? To maintain the body temperature. Okay. Now let's discuss the significance of homeostasis. We know that homeostasis that control our body, but what if it fails? Then heart stroke due to the blood pressure rise, diabetes, hypertension, dehydration. Those are maybe the cause. Okay. So it ensure our stable internal environment, and it plays a key role in maintaining the balance and normal physiological functions. So this much is for today. Hope you like this video. If you get benefited through this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.